In today's financial world, good credit is essential to having a good standard of living. Establishing good credit is the foundation of being able to attain credit cards, purchase a home with a decent credit rate, buy a car without paying too much for it over the length of the loan due to high interest rates. A good credit score rating can save you and your family thousands of dollars in the long run and set you up for a high standard of living over your lifetime. The credit repair process. Since the process is designed to ensure your reports are accurate, there are several types of items that can be normally removed through credit repair. This includes items that are erroneous, fraudulent, outdated, or unsubstantiated. Any item that is found to be inaccurate, unverifiable, or out of date can be deleted. These items include collections judgments, repossessions, liens, bankruptcy, foreclosure, short sale, late payments, settlements, charge-offs, and garnishment. After a dispute is filed and received by the Bureau, it has 30 days to investigate the item in question and respond to your dispute. The Credit Bureau must then forward your dispute and any information you provide to the party that provided the information. The information provider has to investigate the item in question, review all pertinent information, and report the results to the Credit Bureau. If the information provider finds the item to be inaccurate, it is required to notify all 3 credit bureaus and request that the item be removed from all of your credit reports. After the investigation, the Bureau is required to inform you of the results in writing, along with a copy of your report if items were altered. You can also request the reporting company to send notices of these corrections to anyone who has received your credit report in the past 6 months. The solution. The first thing you want to do is go with a reputable company with years of experience helping individuals and families with improving credit scores and providing information to maintaining good credit for years to come. It won't do much good to pay to have your credit repaired if you're going to maintain the same bad habits that got you in trouble in the first place. You can do things like paying bills early, setting up autopay with each creditor, paying twice each month if it is affordable to eliminate principal and interest charges faster. Shop for lower interest rate credit cards and consolidate your bills. To get started with the credit repair process, go to www.loansapprovedfast.com.